Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for November 21st, 2019. Today we're looking at the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. Looking here at the daily time frame, we can almost see a little bit of a struggle here for this currency pair, trying to gain some trending traction. If we zoom out one more time, see we were pushing higher, pretty steady uptrend over here, and then since then it's been somewhat of almost a triangle style pattern. If I take another trend line and put it right here, you can see we see higher lows along the black line, lower highs along the red line. So we've been consolidating, contracting within that triangle, trying to gain some ground, trying to figure out what kind of trend are we going to be here. Are we going to be an uptrend, or are we going to be a downtrend? Within there, you have the potential to actually trade in both directions. Sometimes you're looking for short opportunities, sometimes you're looking for long opportunities when the market's in this kind of contracting pattern, higher lows and lower highs, and we look for new opportunities on a daily basis depending on the direction and momentum the market is carrying. Let's go ahead and zoom in a couple of times here, and you can see the past 6 days now. For 6 days, we've been kind of bouncing around underneath this blue shaded area. The blue zone is 0.9910, 0.9920. Yesterday, we spiked a little bit above it, went all the way into the yellow zone, 99.3040, and then came right back down. And here we are holding right back underneath that blue zone. So we're struggling to find some traction underneath this blue zone. Buyers are having a difficult time sending it up. Sellers are having a difficult time sending it back down. Just kind of holding underneath this pattern underneath the 99.10.20 level. So with that, there is the potential for intraday shorts here underneath that blue shaded area. We'll look for the dollar either to gain some traction lower or higher to give us a good strong move in one direction or the other. At least right now, if you're going to sell the blue zone here, if you're going to sell underneath 99.10, you're looking for the dollar to sell off a little bit and send it back lower again. Of course, above the blue zone, the yellow zone becomes resistance as well, which is not that far away, truthfully. And below the blue zone, you're looking at the purple zone. I have that set at 98.95, 98.85 as your first target on the way down. And then, of course, you could see it push a little bit lower down to the black trend line and the orange shaded area. Of course, if you're going to trade the extremes of this triangle that I've drawn on here with the two trend lines, you'd probably be looking for it to be closer to the green zone or closer to the orange zone before you look for a new opportunity. Intraday wise, I think there are some opportunities in here, especially if we see the dollar make some stronger move than it has been for the past couple of days. Here, the blue zone, something else about this is I took Fibonacci of the last little down leg. Let's take it from the high to low. We're down on the 4-hour time frame, highest high to lowest low of that last little leg lower, and you can see where that comes from. We find the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level living at 99.10. Happens to be the bottom of our blue zone, right where we are right now. 618 is where yesterday's spike high was. 618 Fibonacci retracement level of that previous downtrend. Market spiked into that yesterday and then boom, came right back off. Today we're underneath 382. 236 sits at 98.95, top of our purple shade area. So Fibonacci somewhat also identifying these levels as significant support resistance zones. But look at all this congestion in here. At least right now, I think the easy answer about the dollar franc today is don't buy it. And I think buying within and under that blue zone for the past 5 days has not been a fruitful opportunity. Sure, you maybe had this one little spike here, but for the most part, buying underneath the blue zone has not been the best idea so far. So if you're not buying, potential is you're selling or you're not trading it. Selling underneath there, targeting the purple zone or the orange zone would be your opportunities to the downside. Again, I think if you're going to buy it, you probably need it to come back down to the purple zone first before you would consider the long shot. I think buying above the blue zone a little too close to the yellow zone because you have to wait for that breakout above there to buy it, and so I don't think you're going to be having an opportunity for that. Break of the yellow zone, maybe. So buying right now, maybe not the best opportunity for the dollar franc. Selling within and under the blue zone, maybe something that would entice you to trade the dollar franc today. Overall, it's struggling. It's trying to find its footing, and it may be more prudent to wait for a more clear opportunity for the dollar franc this week.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.